Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress org website. First, you'll need to choose a reliable web hosting provider and a domain name. Think of your domain as your website's address and hosting as the land it lives on. Many hosting companies, like Bluehost or Hostinger, offer one-click WordPress installation, making the initial setup incredibly simple for beginners. This step is crucial for your site's foundation. Once you have your hosting and domain, the next step is installing WordPress. Log into your hosting account's control panel, often called cPanel. Look for an auto-installer, usually labeled WordPress or one-click install. Follow the prompts, which typically involve selecting your domain and creating an administrator username and a strong password. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. With WordPress installed, it's time to make your site look great. Head to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Appearance and Themes. You can browse thousands of free and premium themes to find one that fits your vision. After choosing a theme, explore the Plugins section. Plugins add features like contact forms or search engine optimization. Install essential ones, then customize your theme's colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Now, populate your website with content. Go to Pages or Posts in your dashboard to start creating. Add your About page, Contact page, and any initial blog posts. Consider optimizing your content for search engines to help people find you. Before launching, thoroughly review your entire site for any errors or missing information. Once you are satisfied, your WordPress org website is ready to go live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.